Welcome to the Innovation Studio at the Grainger College of Engineering. The Innovation Studio is an amazing tool for all students across the College of Engineering to come and build and design whatever they want. People use 3D printers, laser cutters, the woodshop, and a variety of other tools to help solve these problems. One innovative use of 3D printing these days is to create prosthetics, because prosthetics often need to be custom built and require really complex geometries that would take a lot of time to design and build. So as you can see here, you can actually create really small joints and really complex features all with just one machine. The Innovation Studio also features laser cutters and water jet cutters, which allows us to create products geared towards human-centered design, which changes the way we impact, influence, and interact with the world. Thank you for supporting the Grainger College of Engineering.